Many people struggle to get started when they're told they need to improve their eating habits. Here are some tips that can help you achieve sustainable, positive change. Firstly, it's important to take a stepwise approach to making dietary changes. 1 or 2 small changes each week will lead to more sustainable change than trying to make many drastic changes all at once. Identify target areas for change, like times of day that are particularly challenging for you or situations in which you tend to overeat. This can help you to define those stepwise changes and to come up with an action plan. For example, in week 1, you might decide to replace all of the sweetened beverages in the fridge with unsweetened sparkling water. You might even find creative ways to remind yourself of this change by brushing and flossing your teeth soon after dinner. Additional goals added in the 2nd week might include bringing a homemade lunch to work instead of grabbing a hot dog from the vendor down the street, and replacing the